equals 5.26, no, 5.7.
Tangent of theta, of beta, is equal to what?
5.26 over 2.2.
It's good to me. And I bet I just did that real quick in my calculator. 67.3 degrees. This is coming back to anybody? Starting to make sense a little bit. Okay, this is just a x and y axis. Back from geometry or trigonometry, some of y'all have negative flashbacks. Number of degrees in a circle, everybody remembers that? 360 degrees. Mathematicians, they describe angles in a kind of a strange way. They start in the positive x-axis and they measure it like this. So if they were to have an angle pointing off, say like that, they would call that 45 degrees. It's not, I mean, most people in the navigational sense, they would think it's north, and they measure clockwise from north. Mathematicians, they start from the positive x and then they go counterclockwise. It's kind of strange to me, but that's why they do it. So we've got 360 degrees. How many radians do we have? Anybody remember what a radian is? Anybody heard of a radian? It's just like it's like the ratio degrees and radians are like feet and inches. They measure the same thing. Radians and degrees, they're measuring angles. They just have different units. So there are 360 degrees are equal to 2 pi radians. Which is why when you get like an equation of a circle, why you get the 2 pi in there, 2 pi r. Let's do a little more here, basic. Okay, so we've got this angle here, 34 degrees. What's the angle alpha there?
34.
34. You got two lines across. Angles opposite each other are equal. How about this angle beta? $56, because you know that the two axes are 90 degrees. So 3490 is equal to 34 plus beta. So the beta is 56. Right? Okay. Y'all are getting this stuff. Or at least one. At least Brandon's getting it.
Well, I said 86 actually. I don't know what the correct.
I heard 56.
He said 56.
I've only heard 56. So I just hear
I
about one.
I said 86.
You were thinking 56 because that's what your brainwave sent that to me. What were they thinking when they made this? Not much. Let's see what time it is. We go to 120, 115, right? Okay, I'm gonna start on doing little vectors there. What's a vector? A vector is essentially a graphical representation of a magnitude and direction. Usually they're given by an arrow. The direction is pretty self-evident. Usually they're two-dimensional.